This is JMP main screen. To create a new data table, click on this new data table icon. A window will be created. To copy data from Excel, select data including the header. Press Ctrl+C. Go back to JMP data table. Go to Edit, and select Paste with column names. To change data type in JMP, there are two ways to do it. You can move your mouse here, and right-click your mouse, a small window will pops up. Now you select the data types for your column. The second method is by moving your mouse pointer to the column header and right-click. Then you select Column Info. A small window will pops up. Over here you can select your data type and modeling type.